Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP EliteBook 655 driver download. So open any browser. Okay, open any browsers to Google search box to type this. Okay, and this is first one, support.hp.com. This is officially website for to download the driver. So just right click to new tab, go to this tab. Okay, and slow down, you can change your operating system 11 and all. Okay, then click to update. Slow down, that is your driver. So BIOS, diagnostic, and like all are there. Okay, keyboard, mouse, network, and so guys, do not install all, just require basic driver, audio, chipset, graphic, keyboard, mouse, and network. Okay, click to download, it will start automatically. Okay, and this is chipset, just click like that, it will start automatically here. You can see it like that. Okay, again come to back, so you can click to download, otherwise you can click on download more driver. Again slow down. This is graphic card, so guys try to this one. Okay, md display driver. Okay, installations process same, you can click, just click to download and it will start. This is camera driver and this is fingerprint driver. Okay, both is required for network. So this is bluetooth driver, this is wi-fi driver. Okay, and this is ethernet means your LAN driver. So just click it to download. Okay, which one? Ethernet, wi-fi, and bluetooth. Okay, so I show you downloaded file to how to install your system. Just click this file and then click to yes, and then next, I accept, then next. Okay, wait few seconds, it will complete it, then restart your system. Thank you so much.